So these are the participants from Firehouse and Blue House. So all the best to both the houses and special all the best to Firehouse.
All the best, Blue House.
My
No,
partner.
that is not allowed.
Okay, so this is the time for a toss. Anyone from Firehouse and from Water House? Yes, from Firehouse. Yes. Choose the side. Head. This is head. Okay.
Face.
Huh?
Face.
Okay. Okay. So Water House is going to debate on pain and Firehouse is going to debate on goal. So all the students and your time starts now. Yes, put your first point.
Regarding the opposition of online education is not good for the students' health.
Online education is very good because the earth is going on moon and the people of earth are going on moon. So why do we are studying offline? And online education has many data and if any students have to learn more about than is 30 books or textbooks, then he can study.
Yeah, offline education is going from ancient period. Yeah, offline education has lots of knowledge, and in ancient period we see that online education is going on. And when this period came, then the online education came now.
But this is the advantage because with COVID-19 pandemic we don't have to study on offline. So that is the only one option for us to study online.
No, online education is not that much effective than offline education. In online education, there is sometimes network problem and any types of other problems. And in offline education, we can learn more and more things. Just like we can go in science lab, maths lab, and here are so many activities just like science exhibition and etc.
But we can also do it offline, online.
No, if we do it as online, if someone has their project and if he is doing that project, if its network issue is not good, then we can't look at that point.
In today, the network issue is available in villages also. The Geo network is going faster today. But in India, there are still some villages which is not connected with the networks, which do not have the towers.
So they can notice the government for or request the government for the tower in their village.
If we request the government, it will took 2 to 3 months to build up that facility, and till 2 to 3 months the student got being lost, going lost.
So the teacher can record the video and send the student up to 3 months after.
So instead of that, the student can go to school offline. It means offline education. He will learn more and more innovative things and as well as academic things.
But today, this is Corona pandemic, so how we can go to school and study? If the online education is that way, now we are coming to school and with all the precautions we are studying also.
But the small children are not following the precautions. But the small children are not following the precaution of COVID-19.
Yes, small children cannot do that much social distancing. That's why there is a need of higher grade students to come in school and study.
But some of the fellow students, they break the discipline and unfollow the precautions of COVID-19. What do we do?
Some of the the parents, have said that online education is not that much effective, and they are not sending them as online education. Instead of it, all students are coming in on offline education because they are preferring it is nice.
Lots of the students are not coming in offline also.
We can see in our class there is full attendance in all the classes of our school.
But there is not a comparison between our class and other classes.
In offline school we can do sports and go to other village.
But in offline online education we can study more than the textbooks and all.
Instead of that, it is a very dangerous health issue, and our eyes are become less effective in online classes. Some of the students get spec.
The sciences grow more than the past. That's why we have the different type of lenses that prevent our eyes from the rays of mobile.
We can go out of our state also for playing sports. We can go in national level. We can't do it by online. We can't play cricket in online method. Anyone throws the ball in online.
But in offline education, but in online education we can study more and give competitive exams online as sitting of in our home.
There is competitive exams in offline method also, just like the scholarships and now they are as offline.
But some students are living in Jammu Kashmir and the exam is in Manali. Then how can you travel from that corner of that?
No, there are having centers. Jammu Kashmir can't go in Manali. Jammu Kashmir's center is in Jammu Kashmir only.
No, but sometimes it breaks.
The students try to speak loudly so that everyone can hear your points.
There are different centers in all the states.
But some states are not still developed that like that.
Yes, some of the villages are not developed. They are having small schools for as a offline, and they can't afford a mobile or they can't afford a online mode of teaching. That's why they are going to school in small schools, and they can learn from there, and they can learn scholastics and all the academics.
But in online education, there are lots of ways like music that we can learn any instrument online.
Online education is hesitating, and if we do more and more online education, then our health issues are more, and our health issues and all the health are.
Like our eyes gets problems and our head gets.
As I said earlier, that there are lots of things available in the market that prevent our eyes.
But that are artificial. We get our eyes naturally, so we have to prevent our eyes.
Yes, that are artificial, but that prevent our eyes and protect our eyes from the rays that come from mobiles and laptops.
And we have to purchase the spectacles and all. In offline education, we don't have to purchase that much, and in offline education, we can understand more and more things.
Okay, last 2 minutes.
But in offline education, we have to come to school by any bus or any vehicle, so it causes pollution and all. And in online education, we have to just sit at any place and learn.
But that's ruining the discipline of the students. If we come to school, we have some rules and regulations that we have to follow.
And our attention will be on the class.
But there are many applications which take a view on students' application users that any student is moving from Google Classroom, then he will notified by the parents.
And in schools, in offline mode of teaching, we can understand so many things and we can do as we want.
So we'll ask Dr. Pankaj.
But in online education, we can also learn many things and we can see the seminars and webinars that happen in foreign countries, and we can gain the knowledge more and more than offline. In offline, the teachers are of specific education, but we can study online many things and things that we know or not know now.
Okay, done. Now your conclusion point, last conclusion point for your side.
You have said that we can learn more and more things from online education, and it is not that much correct that because some people or some students are poor, they cannot afford that much facilities. That's why offline education is very important, and it is very hesitating for lots of us, and offline education we can learn many things, just like debate competition is going on.
Last conclusion point from Firehouse.
But the mobile that much of not expensive. We can buy a mobile and that is permanent for the year.
Give this mic to.
As we are giving, as we are giving the fees of travels and all the things that is of more than 1,500 rupees. So comparing to giving the fees of bus, we can buy a new mobile and buy a new SIM or anything else for the education.
But the traveling fees we are giving in schools, that they have to use for the recharges and the Wi-Fi networks.
But that is too less. 200 rupees you have to put per month, but in bus we have to put 1,500 rupees per month. See the comparison, there is no difference.
We can travel by cycles and other methods of coming to school, and the students who were doing online education, they were not that much active than offline education. Offline students have stage daring and all the things, they can come to stage and increase their daring. If a student has not daring, then he can come to stage and improve his daring.
Okay. Now time is up.
No, but daily can be improved at our home and the parents, by the help of parents.
Okay, done. Now your time is up, and so this is debate between Firehouse and Waterhouse. So clap for them, students. Now it's time to declare the result for these two debates. So we made a debate between two groups and then two groups. So who will score more from these two groups? So that house will be the winner of this debate competition. So now for that result declaration, over to you, Principal.
So, any guesses? Everyone will say red out. What is red out? Say red out. So, without any bias, anyone should not do this. And your fair expectations. Yes, any guesses?
competition. That is, we should act like that is something matter of concern, and the preparation you have shown, it is matter of appreciation. Okay, so all the house were good. I expect much more from you people, but next time we are going to provide more time so that you can prepare much better. Okay, and scope of improvement is everywhere. Yes. So without taking much time, I would like to declare the results.
And so the minimum scorer houses Earth House with 13 points. Here their presentation style was good, but the argument which has been taken place was not to the point, wherein both the houses were speaking on from different points, wherein whatever point has been initiated, that was not been actually completed. Okay, so likewise, first I will just tell you about the points scored by different houses. So as I told you, Earth House 13 points out of 20, Air House 15 points out of 20, and Water and Fire House, they have scored 18. So it's a tie.
It's a tie.
So now what I expect is all the Fire House and Water House students to come on the stage quickly. I am going to give you one task which is related to the debate itself, and within 30 seconds you are expected to tell me 5 words which are related to your topic and favor or opposition. Like Fire House told moon and Water House is wave. Okay, so tell me 5 words. Okay, so we'll start. Who's taking care of time?
And in 30 seconds.
15 seconds of okay, 15 seconds. So you just say. And then 15 seconds will be with one particular house. Nobody else is going to interrupt me.
Okay, so we'll go with the blue house first, and your time starts.
Now.
This is health affecting. This is not that much clearing, and network issues are also there. And another, just like in offline education, there is much more activities. And
Done. Okay. Your turn, Pharaoh. 15 seconds. Your time starts now.
We can learn much more than the offline education. In online education, we can study globally, and we can attend the seminars and webinars that happen globally. And online education system is flexible than on offline. And online education system, we can learn more.
Actually, I was expecting words. You were into sentences. Yeah.
I said you need to speak only 5 words, effective words. You were into sentences. No problem. So now any guesses?
This part is very exciting.
Now any guesses?
Fire out.
No, true guesses. Okay. But they have spoken whole. Then they said network, offline, and health effective. Yes. So they have spoken whole words comparative to Blue House. That's why the winner of the debate is Red House. You can have your seat. Congratulations, Red House. Because you are physically involved in that. Technology is not that involved as far as school education is concerned. If we are talking about distant education, if we are talking about higher studies, then now there is a trend that people are going to scholarships. They are like referring online classes, distance learning they are doing, and still they are like coming up with all flying colors. But as far as school education is concerned, this is a time wherein the students need a personal attention, because this is a time when we are developing discipline among the students. So very nicely said, she has spoken that point, discipline. Discipline is a very integral part. And when you are offline, we find the students, they don't have sense of discipline as we do have in school. Your entire day cycle go to bed. Yes, जब उठना है तब उठेंगे, ऑनलाइन में कैसे बैठ जाएंगे, हम लोग ऑफिशियल ड्रेस नहीं पहनेंगे. He said कि dresses are not required, but we expect you should come with the same professional approach as you are there in the school. So offline and online. Online nowadays it is required because we don't want to put any breakage in between the continuation of studies, as many of you people have told. So anyways, seeing the current scenario, online education is good, but we people are restricted. We can run the schools, but we need to go with the government GRs and all. Yes? So we are ready to give you all facilities. We are ready to make you understand about the sense of caretaking and sense of your protection, prevention. But ultimately, government should understand that schools are able to do this. And see again what is happening. Though we are doing everything, but still some parents are not sending the students. They are having the fear. If you send, they may get corona positive. So somewhere the scenario is such wherein we don't know what is going to happen. Though we have started the school, but we don't know next month what is going to happen, because again the corona cases are increasing. But we should have all safety security measures which has been told by the government authorities, WHO and all, and we need to follow that. So that main thing is we should remain healthy, fit and fine, and at the same time the studies should go on, because not a single day we can compromise with the studies. We need to be very particular and regular in the studies. Yes? So God bless you all. It is the time which is more dominant. As per that, we need to say whether this is good or whether this is good. So if lockdown is there, then online studies are good, and if lockdown is not there, then offline studies are good. So I guess you people must have enjoyed the debate, all of you. Next time I expect more participation. All you have put a good effort, and God bless you all.